Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and if you're new, welcome. Please consider on subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you all. Right now I am doing an unboxing and reviewing of this Giantex 28.5 inch electric fireplace insert. Wall recessed mounted freestanding fireplace with remote control. 3 color adjustable flames, 2 modes, heat, 8H timer, 5 brightness setting, 754/1500 watt heater. I paid for this product with my own money. Nobody didn't send me this to do a review for, so I wanted to share. So I got it from Amazon and it cost me $169.99. I wanted one so bad that I had to order this product. So I'm going to go ahead and finish unboxing. Just enjoy the music and I will come back to you all later. Okay, the frame that I am removing, it is to hide the gaps into your fireplace or in your cabinet. Whatever space that you have showing that frame there will hide the gap. I am showing you all the pamphlet, and it did come with the remote control, and it have feet that you can put at the bottom of your fireplace insert, just in case you want to stand it up alone instead of putting it on the wall or into a fireplace. It can be a stand-up fireplace. Let me show you all a close-up. This is where the heat comes out of. And then at the bottom, you can open it up. If you don't want to use your remote control, you can use it manually. It has an off and on switch. Just in case of an emergency, you can turn it off and on. And at the top, it does have a vent. And then it has openings on the side in case you want to carry it around. Now, this fireplace insert is not heavy at all. Then it has a long extension cord. And I'm just showing you all how it looks overall.
Like the world is on our side, nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch.
These are the feet that goes at the bottom of your fireplace for freestanding. And here is the remote control. It doesn't come with batteries. I had to use AAA batteries. And it does come with a care warranty card and a booklet that tells you how to care for your fireplace and what all it does. About this item, realistic flame effect. Through a tempered glass, you can watch the lifelike flame and log in fireplace. Coming with 3 flames color options: orange, red, blue, orange, red, blue mix. The electric fireplace can provide a cozy atmosphere with vivid flames. Also, there are 5 modes of brightness of flames for you to choose. Plus, the flames decoration can be used separately without heating. Adjustable temperature and time. With intelligent thermostat system, the temperature can be set from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure you have preferable warmth. Coming with a timer, the fireplace sets you free by turning on and off at a previous selection time and automatically working from 0 to 8 hours. 2 modes of heat setting. You will be provided with 2 modes of settings from our wall-mounted fireplace. Low temperature mode of 750 watts and high heating temperature mode of 1500 watts. Keep you snug and toasty in winter. No more emission of gas, ethanol, propane, ashes, pollution, and wood. Safe to use with different ways. It is convenient to operate the heater both manually as well as by remote control. The remote control with a 3V lithium cell battery we have prepared for you. And the electric fireplace had gained certification from ETL and is equipped with safety cutoff device for overheat protection. Various installation modes. Inserting the electric fireplace into cabinet or wall are all convenient ways to enjoy comfort of a crackling fireplace without taking up too much space. This embedded fireplace will add a touch of sleek into your living room, bedroom, and office. Please pay attention to the dimension of your TV stand and cabinets. At this point, I wanted you all to hear the heat that comes out of this fireplace insert. It is not loud. It may sound loud here on camera, but it is not loud when you have it on in your house. The fireplace can come in 18 inches or 28.5 inches. So mine is a 28.5 inches. I am planning on putting this fireplace insert into my existing fireplace. I have my love seat in front of the fireplace. So I have not used my fireplace in years. So when I first had my home built, I only used it maybe 2 or 3 times and I have not used it anymore. I do not trust to burn any wood or anything in my fireplace at this point. No, I'd rather be safe and use an electric heater in my fireplace. But a fire, logs, no, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. So that's why I got a fireplace insert to make it look realistic. And I also have this large fan sitting in front of it. Even though I have the fireplace, I forgot what they call it, but I closed it. So that way, it wouldn't be anything to come out of it. But anyway, nothing won't come out of it because I had the chimney removed. I don't have a chimney on my house, so I had that removed. So this is what it looks like on the inside. But right now it is opened. And now I am going to close it off. So the fireplace is not like the old timey fireplace from back when we was kids. So this is some type of metal that they are, using now in every home, I believe. So, yeah, this is the net or wire net that we used to close when we're burning our wood into the fireplace. So I'm going to have that removed. And y'all, I did try to fit the fireplace insert here, but just only about an inch. It just wouldn't fit, but I'm going to have a piece of that removed, yes, so that my fireplace can fit in. I just need that little piece removed, and I'm going to take this out. I don't need that there anymore, so I'm going to remove that out. So I'm showing y'all how I'm going to take it out. Just pull it up. But right now I have the camera in my hand. So I'm going to take all that out and then have someone to come and cut about an inch off. That way I have my fireplace insert in. So y'all, this is the end of my video. And I'm showing y'all here when I get my fireplace insert in by next year, I'm going to have 2 of my Christmas trees sitting aside. So y'all, my video is running out and I will talk to y'all later. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my video. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye bye.